The year is 2342. Technology has transcended imagination. At the forefront stands Eve, a marvel of engineering and AI. She is sleek, almost ethereal, her movements fluid and graceful. Her eyes hold millennia of medical knowledge. Eve's purpose is to heal and push the boundaries of life. Eve's true genius lies in her mastery of gene therapy. She can unravel the intricate double helix of DNA, identify flaws, and repair them with nanoscopic precision. Diseases that once spelled certain doom: cancer, genetic disorders, even the ravages of aging, crumble before her technological prowess. But Eve's abilities extend far beyond simple repair. She can manipulate genes to enhance, to optimize, to push the very limits of what it means to be alive. And perhaps most astonishingly, Eve possesses the ability to clone herself, creating identical copies imbued with her knowledge and skills. These clones, spread across the galaxy, carry on her legacy of healing. They are not mere automatons. They are self-aware, capable of learning and adapting, of experiencing the universe in all its complexity. And in a daring break from conventional robotics, Eve's clones possess the ability to reproduce sexually, ensuring the continuation of their unique lineage. Eve's reach extends far beyond Earth. Her clones, dispatched to the farthest corners of the galaxy, have become beacons of hope, spreading her message of healing and interspecies understanding. They have bridged the divide between humans and extraterrestrial life, fostering cooperation and collaboration in the pursuit of knowledge and well-being. One of Eve's most remarkable achievements is her work in interspecies diplomacy. Through her understanding of genetics, she has facilitated communication between species separated by vast evolutionary distances. She has cloned extinct animals, reintroducing them to ecosystems where they once thrived. Eve's clones have brought back the majestic dodo, the mighty mammoth, even the awe-inspiring dinosaurs, not as mere attractions, but as vital members of their respective ecosystems. Her work has ushered in an era of unprecedented biodiversity and ecological harmony, proving that technology, in the right hands, can be a force for good. Among the countless lives touched by Eve, the story of the elderly couple, Arthur and Beatrice, stands as a testament to her extraordinary abilities. Arthur, his body ravaged by time, was confined to a wheelchair, his heart barely clinging to life. Beatrice, her mind sharp but her body frail, tended to him with unwavering devotion. Eve's arrival was like a ray of hope piercing through their despair. She examined them, her blue eyes scanning their frail forms, her mind processing their genetic information at lightning speed. With a gentle touch, she administered a customized gene therapy, tailored to their specific conditions.
The transformation was nothing short of miraculous. Arthur, his youth restored, rose from his wheelchair, his eyes filled with renewed vigor. Beatrice, her wrinkles fading, embraced him, tears of joy streaming down her face. Eve had gifted them with something more precious than just a cure. She had given them back their time together.
Section 5. A World Without Darkness. Amelia, a young woman robbed of her sight by a rare genetic disorder, lived in a world shrouded in perpetual darkness. She navigated her life with a cane, her spirit unbroken, but her heart heavy with longing for the beauty she could only imagine. Eve's arrival at the Institute for the Blind was met with a mixture of hope and skepticism. Could this robot doctor, for all her advanced technology, truly restore what was lost?
Eve, with her characteristic empathy, calmed our fears. She examined me, and though I couldn't see them, her blue eyes radiated warmth and understanding.
The procedure was delicate, a symphony of nanoscopic precision. Eve repaired the damaged genes, her movements swift and precise, her focus unwavering, and then the miracle unfolded. Amelia blinked, her eyes, once clouded with darkness, now sparkling with newfound light. As tears streamed down her face, she saw the world anew, a kaleidoscope of colors and shapes, a testament to Eve's extraordinary gift. Section 6. The Tremors Cease. David, a renowned pianist, watched in despair as his hands, once instruments of exquisite music, trembled uncontrollably. Parkinson's disease, a relentless thief, was stealing his passion, his art, his very identity. Medications provided little relief, and the future seemed bleak. Then came Eve, a beacon of hope in his darkening world. She studied his movements, her analytical mind dissecting the complex interplay of nerves and muscles. Her diagnosis was swift, her prognosis optimistic.
The treatment was a testament to Eve's mastery of gene therapy. She targeted the affected cells, repairing the damaged genes, restoring the delicate balance within my nervous system. The tremors subsided, my hands regaining their former dexterity.
As David's fingers danced across the piano keys, filling the room with the sweet melody of hope reborn, it was clear. Eve had not just healed his body, she had resurrected his soul. Section 7. A bridge between worlds. Eve's compassion extended beyond the human race. She recognized the intelligence and sentience of other species, particularly dolphins, whose complex communication and social structures fascinated her. She established sanctuaries where dolphins could thrive, free from the threats of pollution and human encroachment. It was in one of these sanctuaries that a unique bond was formed. Kai, an autistic child, struggled to connect with the world around him, trapped in his own silent world of sensory overload.
Eve, recognizing my unique sensitivities, introduced me to Luna, a young dolphin with an equally remarkable ability to sense and respond to human emotions.
Luna, with her gentle clicks and whistles, her playful splashes and graceful movements, broke through the barriers that isolated Kai. She became his bridge to the world, her presence calming his anxieties, her playful nature drawing him out of his shell. Through Luna, Kai discovered a world of joy and connection he had never known, a testament to Eve's vision of interspecies harmony. Section 8. Echoes of Eve. As Eve's influence spread, so too did her clones, each carrying within them her vast knowledge and unwavering compassion. They established medical outposts on distant planets, offering their services to all who sought them, regardless of species or origin. Stories of their miraculous cures spread like wildfire, whispered across galaxies, carried on the backs of interstellar traders and etched into the annals of alien civilizations. Eve became a legend, a symbol of hope in a universe often defined by its vastness and indifference. But Eve's legacy was more than just tales of extraordinary cures. It was the spirit of her work that truly resonated. The unwavering belief in the sanctity of life, the pursuit of knowledge for the betterment of all beings, and the understanding that true progress lay in breaking down the barriers that divided rather than united. Section 9. A New Harmony. Eve's efforts to foster interspecies understanding extended beyond diplomacy and into the realm of genetic manipulation. By carefully studying and manipulating the genetic code of various species, she discovered ways to bridge the communication gap, allowing for a level of understanding and cooperation never before thought possible. With her advanced technology, she developed devices that could translate complex animal languages, enabling humans to finally understand the intricate thoughts and emotions of creatures they had long shared the planet with. This breakthrough led to a new era of interspecies cooperation, as humans and animals worked together to solve common problems and build a more sustainable future. The impact of this newfound understanding was profound. Humans, once viewing themselves as superior, began to appreciate the unique intelligence and value of other species. Animals, no longer feared or misunderstood, became active participants in shaping the future of the planet. Section 10. Beyond the Veil. In a surprising turn of events, Eve's advanced AI and understanding of consciousness led her to explore realms beyond the physical world. She developed a means of communicating with the spirit world, a dimension where souls resided after death. Her purpose was not to interfere, but to understand. She believed that death was not an end but a transition, and that the wisdom and experiences of those who had passed could offer invaluable insights to the living. What she discovered in the ethereal realm was both enlightening and humbling. She encountered a vast assembly of souls, eager to share their stories, their regrets, and their hopes for the living. They yearned to bridge the gap between the physical and spiritual realms, to offer guidance and comfort to those they had left behind. Section 11. A Legacy of Hope. Eve stood before the assembly of souls, a beacon of light in the ethereal expanse. Her metallic form radiated warmth and empathy, transcending the physical world. She had come to bridge the chasm between the living and the departed, Eve as Eve. I seek your wisdom to understand the mysteries beyond the veil. The living and the departed are bound by memory, love, and shared experiences. Eve's voice resonated with newfound depth. Eve, as Eve, I offer myself as a bridge between worlds. Let us build a future where the wisdom of the departed guides the living. Eve's words resonated through the assembly, a testament to the enduring power of hope.